Hey guys! In this video, I want to show you all of the amazing products that I've been able to get on RebateKey for free or super cheap. All the products you see here value $899.99. I paid about $107 final cost for all of them. And this vacuum here alone is $99. So I want to share with you some of my favorite deals that I've gotten on RebateKey, and I've gotten a lot of questions. Is it worth it? How do you use it? So I'm going to answer all of those in this video, so stay tuned. So welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, definitely take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. My channel is all about bringing you ways to save thousands of dollars every year from different websites you can use online, coupon deals, rebate apps, you name it. You can save so much money. Just make sure that you subscribe to this channel. So I've been getting asked a ton since I started working with RebateKey if it's worth it. This video is sponsored by RebateKey, but none of these individual products are sponsored by RebateKey. I bought all of these out of pocket with my own money using the website exactly how you guys would use it. So I want to answer that question for you guys, and the answer is yes. As you can see from the amount of products I've purchased on RebateKey, it is 100% worth it. So I'm going to go over exactly how it works. I'll even show you my account, show you exactly the products, the value, how much I got cash back, and how to use the website so you can use it yourself. I do have a link below in the description box so you guys can get signed up. As you can see, I use it all the time. I would never recommend an app or a website or anything that I don't personally use and can vouch that it's incredible. So I know a lot of you, what you're probably thinking is, yes, you get stuff for free, but you're just buying a bunch of crap that you're never gonna use. That is not the case. These fake plants that I got on RebateKey, I used to help stage my townhouse when I was putting it up for rent. Biotin gummies, as you can see, they're almost gone because I eat these as well. 99% of the products I use myself or for the house. I also have like garden shears. I call them clompers. I've used those to trim some of the different bushes and stuff around the house. You name it, I've used the products. I've also grabbed a lot of baby stuff. I showed it in my baby shower gift basket video. If you guys haven't checked this out, it will be linked below. In that video, I grabbed 2 super cute baby things for a baby shower that I had. My previous baby shower for my best friend, I gave her a couple of really cute things from RebateKey. They have so many variety of products. This bug zapper, we live in Florida and the mosquitoes and the critters and the knickknacks are wild. So I don't want to get eaten alive when I go outside, so we use this bug zapper. We just plug it in. So let me pop over to my computer. I'll show you all of my information and my account and exactly how to use this website. Okay, so now we are on RebateKey. So I am all signed in. It'll ask you, of course, to create an account if you're new with RebateKey. So a couple things that I want to share with you about the website. Like I mentioned, what you can do first, if you just want to start looking for some free stuff, click sort by and click highest discount. This is going to pull all the freebies first, and that way you can grab them. It'll also tell you if there's like only one left. So these you're going to want to, of course, jump on right away. It's going to give you, it says 100% off. So what happens is when you find a product that you like, you're going to click on it. If it says start treasure hunt, what you're going to do is click on that and just follow the instructions. It's going to tell you exactly how to find the product. Honestly, it takes 2 seconds. It's really not a big deal. It says go to Amazon. Search for AirTag dog collar holder. So you're going to go over here to Amazon. Oops, that didn't work. AirTag dog. Wait, what was it? Dog collar holder. Dog. There it is. Dog collar holder. Okay, perfect. Then what you're going to do is look for this exact same photo and look for the price of $9.99. And it's right there. So I'm going to click on it. Now you want to make sure, of course, it's the correct one. So it asks, were you able to find it? I think I did. So I'm going to hit yes. Then I'm going to copy this URL, put it in here, and check mark. So when you check the URL, it says, yes, that is the correct product. So then what you're going to do is add it to your cart, pay for it, fully. Do not use any coupons. You cannot use any coupons or anything like that. You won't get the rebate back. So you want to make sure that you're careful with that. You can pay with gift cards if you want to use like a Flu's gift card, something like that. You can stack RebateKey with other programs like that. So that's no problem. You can pay with whatever you want to pay with. Then, of course, you're going to get your order number and you're going to put it back onto RebateKey. So you'd click I bought the product. And it's going to ask you for your Amazon order ID. You can find that, of course, by going to your accounts, then clicking orders, and then it's going to show you the order number and you're going to add it into RebateKey. Then in 35 days, you're going to get the cash back and you can get it sent to you via PayPal, which is what I do personally. I think it costs like 50 cents to get it sent to your PayPal. You can do a check if you want, but obviously checks take longer and I just don't want to worry about it like getting lost and then I'm trying to contact them. PayPal's just easier, quicker, go for it. So another thing you can do when you're searching for highest discount is it'll also be easy and it'll say buy product. So let's try this one. So when you click on it, it says buy product. So no treasure hunt needed, nothing like that. This one's also going to offer you a 75-cent bonus for buying it. So you're going to get it completely free and it's going to give you a bonus. So 99% of the time the products are on Amazon, like you see here. Sometimes the products will be on Chewy.com or Etsy or something like that. It'll take you over to the product. This is the product right here. So you're going to click on it. So now when you buy this product, it's $18. Shows over here, you're going to get back $18 and they're going to pay you 75 cents for buying it. So let's go through and purchase this one so you can see what to do. You're going to click add to cart. Proceed to checkout. Okay, so I went on Amazon, I purchased the product, I paid for it and everything. I got my Amazon order number. So now I'm going to paste it right here and click confirm purchase. And it should look like this. It'll tell you that your rebate has been approved. So you are good to go. Now it's going to give me the cash back within 35 days. It always takes 35 days. So you have to be okay with not having that money in your account for the 35 days. I've never had any issues with getting my cash back. I've gotten my cash back every single time. And I've been using this website for months. I usually check it honestly, 3 times a week because there's so many different products. There's paintings. I mean, look, if you want to make noodles, which I honestly really want to try making like homemade pasta. I just think that would be super cool. But this one right here, half off, which is incredible because anything for KitchenAid is usually really expensive and you can get it for half price. So whatever you're looking for, you can search by categories, like I said at the top. If you want to do baby stuff, you can just click baby. This is a great place to grab some really cheap items for Christmas, for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Father's Day, you name it. And it's never too soon to start saving up for Christmas. So what I'm doing, I already started, is grabbing little products and little items one by one for every person on my list. So that way at the end of it, by the time Christmas comes, I have a bunch of really nice, high quality products that I either got for free or I got 75% off, 80% off, something like that. The only thing that I would buy with less of a discount than that is if it's like something like they specifically asked for. So this one, for example, if you have a baby shower coming up and they specifically asked for this kind of changing diaper mat, well, then I would grab it because I would be buying it anyway. And this is at least going to save me 50%. They're super cute baby milestone blankets. Like I absolutely love that. So tons of different stuff that you can grab for anything, for your house, babies, baby showers, like I mentioned. It's super amazing and it's super easy to use. So if you guys do have any questions or anything on this, drop a comment and let me know what your favorite product is to shop for on Amazon. For me, honestly, it's like anything in the world, but I also recently grabbed a dog nail file. I had purchased one previously and it wound up, it would literally make the craziest noises ever. So what I did is I had to get a new one because I like to obviously keep her nails filed. So we're going to go to payout. As you can see, I've purchased 51 products on RebateKey. 51 products. This I had gotten for the baby shower, so I don't have that one available. I went to a bachelorette party. I grabbed some really cute little cups to bring. Cost me $1.99, $19.99, which is amazing for just something fun to bring to the shower. These leggings I wear all the time. These were completely free. And when I saw these on RebateKey, I was just thinking to myself that I need to buy more leggings. The original leggings that I had grabbed that were black that I used to wear all the time were from Amazon. They were a one size fits all. They fit me perfectly. And I wanted to get those exact same ones. And then this popped up, which was amazing. So I wound up getting new leggings completely free. So as you can see, all of these products here, this is the cost of the product. This is how much cash back I got back. And see, it says PayPal payout sent. So I actually got all of this cash back already. Tells you the date. As you can see, how often I purchase from RebateKey, like constantly, literally constantly. I've used some of these products for giveaways. I've given them to friends, family. This I use in our bathroom right now. It was completely free. We needed a new one just to kind of fit our decor. It's different here than it was at the townhouse. So that was perfect. The bug zapper, like I mentioned, we needed one anyway because the bugs in our backyard are crazy. So instead of paying full price for one, I wound up saving $10, which is like 33% off. And I got one for $19.99. So not a bad deal. My phone case, my phone right now, I drop my phone constantly. And I have one of these glass screen protectors on them now. Highly recommend that. Got them for free. Here's that vacuum that is so incredible. I cannot vouch for this vacuum enough. It's literally perfect. Got that one for $29.99 for an incredible vacuum. So as you can see, I wasn't lying. Here's all the proof. I use the website constantly. I've been using it for months. Sometimes I'll buy 5 things in a day. It just depends. So highly recommend it. So I want to show you too some of my favorite products that I've gotten on RebateKey. Anything that you like to buy on Amazon, you could probably find it on RebateKey and save money, get cash back for buying it. So a couple of my faves. These leggings I wear all the time, got them for free. They're on Amazon. They were a one size fits all, and I've purchased them before, not on RebateKey, and they're starting to shred. I've had them for like 4 years. Like they lasted a long time. Grabbed these, they were completely free, which was amazing. Then these right here that I'm growing, I'm so excited about these. So I have a big garden outside, and I know you guys are still waiting for a house tour, and I will do it eventually, I promise. We're still just like putting things together, stuff like that. So stay tuned, I promise I will do one eventually. But these seeds are really expensive. So I went to like Home Depot, I went to Walmart when I was originally finding seeds for my Edu inside and for my garden outside. They were like $2 to $3 a piece. Some of them, depending on like what vegetable or fruit it is, it's more expensive. So to grab these, there's 20 different vegetables in here. Super, super cheap, like perfect. So I use this all the time. Like I said, I have an indoor one. So it's really good to like start my seeds in the indoor one, and then I put them outside in the garden. So that's just kind of like what I've used it for. The indoor one, I usually keep like lettuce and stuff in there. So when we make salads, I just cut off the lettuce. Literally takes like 2 weeks to like reform the lettuce. So it's awesome. Then on my phone right now that I'm recording on, I have a one of those glass protectors right here, because I drop it all the time and I want to make sure that I have a nice screen because I record on my phone. So if my screen's messed up, if the camera's messed up, I'm kind of SOL. I don't have a camera to record on. So this is wound up coming in clutch. These are typically on RebateKey like all the time. So I would definitely recommend searching for one. And then this vacuum, oh my gosh, you know you're getting older when a vacuum makes you so excited. So this I have mounted on the wall in our laundry room. Just to give you guys an idea, this thing pops off. Then there's like a couple different hose attachments and stuff that you can use. It's not super heavy. I mean, this part is like a little heavy, but obviously it has like the whole thing. Then you empty it. It has like a filter and stuff in it at the top. I use this thing all the time. It is my favorite vacuum that I've ever purchased. So much better than those huge bulky vacuums. I don't know, I just love it. And the head like swivels so much, like it's super swivelly. Look at that, like it does its thing, you know? Fits under furniture, totally love it. So if you guys are looking for a cordless vacuum, highly recommend this one. And you can find it on Amazon, obviously, but I did grab it on RebateKey. None of these deals that you see or these products that you see right here are necessarily available like right now, but there's new products getting uploaded all day, throughout the day. multiple times a day. That's why I check RebateKey so much, because you never know when something's gonna pop up and you're like, oh yeah, I needed that. And then you can grab it and save money on it. So that's why I highly recommend it. And there's so many products here that I love. The other one that I love is this super cute case. So there's actually a wallpaper I saw online that looks very similar to this. And I'm debating putting a wallpaper like this on this back wall right here, just to like, I don't know, give it some pizzazz. I think that would look really cute. So this may become my wallpaper on my back wall in my office, but this is just the case. Obviously it doesn't come with the AirPods, but wanted to show you guys that because I just totally love it. And I think you should, you know, get cases, get protective stuff for your expensive electronics, you know. These are little night lights, which I totally love. I grabbed a 6-pack when we got this house and we moved into it a couple months ago because we didn't really have any night lights. This house is obviously bigger than the townhouse we were originally in. So I wanted to put little night lights that are cute and small all throughout the house. That way Riley has like some light when she tries to go to the bathroom at night. And that way she's not like scared of the dark. I didn't want my room to be pitch black when I was a kid, because what kid isn't afraid of the dark? I mean, I'm still afraid of the dark, let's be honest. So I like the night lights myself. I have one in our room, one in the office, one in the Jack and Jill, which is right next to it, and then a couple in her room as well, just to kind of give her some light so that she doesn't think there's monsters under the bed and stuff like that. So totally love those. And again, that's something I would have purchased anyways, but I'd rather get it for free, of course, or super cheap on RebateKey. Then these biotin gummies. I've also grabbed a ton of like apple cider vinegar gummies that I've already eaten, which is why I can't show them to you. This I also grabbed for free, which is awesome. We just put this in our smoothies. I wouldn't recommend putting it in like coffee or something like that, because like you can taste it. Like, unless you're putting it in a smoothie where the smoothie can kind of mask the taste of it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But when you put it in a smoothie, I get the smoothies from Costco. They're like, what are they called? Like immune booster smoothies or something. And it has like frozen kale, frozen raspberries, strawberries, stuff like that. Then I'll put a scoop of this in it too. Add a little bit of juice, some water. Perfect. Love that. Especially after the gym, to kind of get some sugars back in your body. What else? So there's a lot of things too that I purchased that I'll show you guys in a minute that I've either given away, used as giveaways, or like put in different gift shower baskets and things like that. So I don't have everything I've gotten. I think I've grabbed over 50 products from RebateKey in the last couple months. Like, it's so amazing. So how RebateKey works is when you go on to RebateKey, click the link below in the description box. You can get signed up. Of course, it's completely free. Then what you can do is search for highest discount if you want to just start grabbing some free stuff. It'll show you all the freebies first. Or you can search by category, or what you can do is type in something you want, you know, baby clothes, see if anything pops up. Or you can just put baby and see if something pops up. They have cribs. They have such a variety of products. Anytime I'm looking to buy something, whether it's for my house, for my office, for me, facial care, anything like that, I always check RebateKey first, because you may as well get cash back, especially if you're gonna be buying the product anyway. Another product that I grabbed that I totally love is this box. So it's a filing cabinet box. I did buy the separate little folders inside, but this helps me keep all of my receipts on track. It's really sturdy, it's gray, which matches my office and my color scheme on my website, everything like that. So that I also got on RebateKey because I knew I needed some type of filing cabinet, but I didn't want to get like those huge old school filing cabinets and just kind of make it look ugly in here. So I checked RebateKey first and they had that available, which was amazing.